Hi my socialite, this is Kique and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I'm so excited because I'm here in another amazing, stunning property that I just gotta show you and share with you all. So the house is situated here in this kind of small community. Probably has like 6, 7 houses, but it have a tons of natural life. Also like a lot of beautiful trees, that green nature. In the back is just the green belt, so it's really nice. The other cool thing about this house, it doesn't have any fees for homeowner association, so that's pretty cool. But remember, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also share, also comment if you have any question, and remember to follow my different platforms, Kique Realty. So now let's just check it out. This house was built in 2018, so it's pretty new. It has 1,927 square feet of living space, and it has 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. One thing that I really love about this house is it has this open floor plan, which I love it because we have the kitchen that connects with the living area, also with the dining table, and all that together made the space good for entertaining. So when you get in the house, to your left side, you're gonna find the half bath, which is kind of for the guests. But it's not gonna be only the bath there. It has this cute space, also with window. I mean, the whole house has a bunch of windows, which is really cool because it brings a lot of light. For example, today's a pretty gray, rainy day, and still the house has a lot of light. So can you imagine when it's a sunny day? That's gonna be beautiful. But yeah, here is this cute space, and then you're gonna find to my right side the guest bath, which is really cool. Let me show you. So this is the living area. Honestly, it has a lot of space. I love that in front of it is the kitchen. So it's really cool. And it has this big window, it has a lot, so it's gonna have a lot of light coming through. Joel, the amount of green nature that you're gonna see and enjoy from just sitting in your couch in the living area is insane. It's super beautiful. So this is kind of the dining area. Honestly, right now they have kind of this small breakfast table. Yeah, something smaller. However, the space is pretty good in case you're gonna like have a bigger dining table. So the space is there. It's just how you like it, right? Preferences. For example, they have here a small table, but if you really wanna bigger dining table, it's gonna work out really well as well. So imagine yourself stepping into your dream kitchen where every detail has been created to make you like that perfect space to cook, entertain, and also create those lasting memories. other thing that I really love about this house is that the garage, it has AC, so you can make it as you want it. For example, you can do an extra office, you can make it as a game room. In this case, I have this kind of music studio recording going on, and it's so cool because it gives you that extra space and you can use it however you want. I'll keep showing you the house, but stay tuned because at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you my favorite part of this house, honestly. For me, I don't know. And I'm also gonna give you the listing price because I know you wanna know how much it costs, so stay tuned till the end. So upstairs, you're gonna find a cozy and inviting second living area, which is perfect for relaxing and spending time with your loved ones. This living area upstairs also has a lot of windows. We're gonna bring you a tons of lights, and you're gonna enjoy from here the beautiful green of the nature just from the backyard of your house. So welcome to the master bedroom. This great and inviting space is perfect for relaxing and unwinding after a long day. So for this listing, this is a magical part for me because you can enjoy this beautiful green of the nature, because in the back of your backyard you're gonna find the greenbelt, and now you can listen a bunch of different birds and animals, which is gonna create that connection with nature. Can you imagine drinking a cup of coffee here in the morning? I do. Okay, my socialite, this is everything for today's video. Remember, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also share, comment. Also, you can follow me on my different social media, which is Kique Realty, Instagram, Facebook page, and also TikTok. Here on my YouTube channel, which is Kique Society and Kique Realty. Yeah, so the listing price for this house, I know you're waiting for that, is $799,000. I think it's a very good price for the location and how beautiful is this house. And also it has been in the market less than a day. By the moment that I'm shooting this video, it was put on the market just yesterday, so it has been less than a day. So yeah, if you have any question about this listing or any other that you might be interested in, and just let me know. I'm super happy to help. So yeah, see you in my next video.